This is Lafarge top coat going over Lafarge base coat. The final finish coat. Yeah.
So why do you use lime?
Because cement doesn't breathe, doesn't make oxygen. It's not eco. Also, it lasts forever, whereas cement, example of render for over there.
Wait a minute, let me just pan across there. Yeah. Am I right in saying that the Germans use lime?
They've used lime since the early 90s and 80s. They don't use gypsum or.
Tell me what you do.
I'm just applying the top coat, so just putting it on nice and even, ready to finish.
So is this harder to do than what the English call traditional rendering?
Bit. Yeah, you need to work with the material, otherwise it'll work against you.
Right.
Also, you have to have the training. So, I worked in Germany, so I had to go to a little university to learn it. Whereas in England, there's not many places you can learn it unless you work with someone who's used it. There is courses to use lime. Can't remember, one of the places is down in Mike Y is a very good one. He does very good courses, and they use all range of products.
Right. No kidding. That is fascinating. Really is. You've done this before, haven't you? I can see. If I was doing this, it would be all on the floor rather than on the wall. So you do you do exclusively just lime work now?
Only lime. Yeah. Only lime. And internal, we use lime skim plaster. What's a lot better than gypsum, because gypsum unfortunately is controversial. It's still to be proved, but there's a lot of companies saying it actually contains radiation. That's why you can't. It's very difficult to throw away plasterboard and they charge you.
Right.
So we tend to use wood fibre boards inside.
Yeah.
And then basically lime plaster it like this.
Well. So if somebody wanted to get in touch with you, how would they do that?
Well, they can contact you on your website, or my partner, he's got a website, it's called Sussex Lime Restorations, and James is normally in charge of the media side of it.
Right. Have you got a telephone number?
It's 078 666 51106.
Right.
But normally it's on our website, Sussex Lime Restoration.
Right. Okay. So that's the best place, and there's a email address there as well.
Yes, but we have, unfortunately, because we're one of the only people in the area, we generally have like a 6-month advance booking.
Right.
But we sometimes work with, obviously, Jim with his sash windows,
yeah,
working alongside.
Yeah.
Working with the buildings instead of against them.
Yeah, that's what we both do.
Yeah.
Okay then. That's very enlightening. Thank you.